Get ready, PC gamers. A new era for Grand Theft Auto 5 is dawning. On March 4th, 2025, Rockstar Games is launching the highly anticipated Enhanced Edition of GTA 5, specifically designed for PC. This isn't just a simple update, it's a major overhaul with a suite of improvements. The best part? If you already own GTA 5 on PC, you're in for a treat. Rockstar is offering a free upgrade to the Enhanced Edition for all existing owners. Experience the definitive version of Los Santos without spending an extra dime. This upgrade isn't just about improved graphics, it's about a smoother, more immersive experience overall. Faster loading times mean more time causing mayhem on the streets. The enhanced visuals breathe new life into Los Santos. Whether you're a veteran or a newcomer, the Enhanced Edition promises a unique experience. The update will introduce new features and content. Rockstar has hinted at new missions, vehicles, and activities. Whether solo or with friends, there's something new to discover. This is more than just an update, it's a love letter to the PC community. Experience the game with all the bells and whistles of modern PC hardware. Buckle up, because Los Santos is about to get a whole lot more interesting. The Enhanced Edition is set to redefine what it means to experience Grand Theft Auto 5 on PC. The release of GTA 5 Enhanced Edition is just around the corner, and Rockstar Games has made it incredibly easy for existing PC players to prepare for the big day. If you already own a copy of GTA 5 on PC, whether it's through Rockstar's own launcher or Steam, you're entitled to a free upgrade to the Enhanced Edition. No need to repurchase the game or jump through any hoops. The upgrade process is seamless and integrated directly into the platform you already use. Starting today, you can preload the Enhanced Edition and have it ready to go the moment it unlocks on March 4th. To do this, simply open your Rockstar Games launcher or Steam library and look for the GTA V Enhanced entry. Don't worry, your existing installation of GTA 5 won't be affected. The Enhanced Edition will appear as a separate game in your library, ensuring that you can continue playing the original version if you choose to do so. Preloading is a fantastic option for players who want to dive into the Enhanced Edition the instant it becomes available. By downloading the game files ahead of time, you'll avoid any potential server congestion on launch day and be able to jump right into the action. No more staring at progress bars or waiting for downloads to finish, just pure, unadulterated Los Santos mayhem from the get-go. So what are you waiting for? Head over to your Rockstar Games launcher or Steam library today and start preloading GTA 5 Enhanced Edition. The streets of Los Santos are about to get a whole lot more enticing, and you won't want to miss a single second of the action. One of the biggest concerns for any gamer facing a major game upgrade is the fate of their hard-earned progress. Thankfully, Rockstar Games has a solution that will allow you to seamlessly pick up where you left off in the single-player story of GTA 5. The process is surprisingly straightforward and ensures that your hours of investment in Los Santos won't go to waste. Before you do anything, make sure you've uploaded your latest GTA 5 save to the Rockstar Games cloud. This is done through the in-game pause menu. Simply navigate to the Game tab and select Upload Save Game. This will create a backup of your progress on Rockstar's servers, ready to be downloaded into the Enhanced Edition. Once you've secured your save, you can download it within the Enhanced Edition, also through the Pause menu, under the Game tab, and the Download Save Game option. It's important to note that you can only transfer your story mode progress from the original GTA 5 to the Enhanced Edition once. Once you've downloaded your save, it's a one-way street. So if you're thinking about bouncing back and forth between the two versions, you'll need to choose which one will be your primary playground for continuing the story. This transfer process ensures that you can jump into the Enhanced Edition without having to start Franklin, Michael, and Trevor's story from scratch. Your progress in missions, side activities, and collectibles will all carry over, allowing you to experience the enhanced visuals and gameplay with the satisfaction of knowing you're continuing your Los Santos journey right where you left off. So, you're ready to take your GTA Online empire to the next level? Well, migrating your progress to the Enhanced PC Edition is a breeze. First, make sure your Rockstar Social Club account is linked. Then simply follow the on-screen prompts to transfer your characters, money, and properties. It's that easy. Remember, your hard-earned achievements will carry over seamlessly, letting you dive right back into the action without missing a beat. Now let's talk about experiencing the enhancements. The new PC edition brings stunning visuals, faster load times, and an overall smoother experience. You'll notice the difference right away with improved textures, lighting, and frame rates. Plus, the enhanced audio immerses you even deeper into the world of Los Santos. Whether you're exploring the city or engaging in high-speed chases, the upgrades truly elevate your gameplay. So, gear up and get ready to experience GTA 5 like never before.